Trevor Olson with Aware Web Solutions, and I'm here with Deb Francis, Aware's VP of Client Engagement. Good morning, Deb.
Good morning, Trevor.
Recently, you spoke at the Online Marketing Summit with Jeremy Ziegler, Aware's Chairman and CEO, and you talked about content management. Can you tell us a little bit about that presentation?
Sure. Well, it was a fun day. Great organization. We love presenting to marketing professionals for a variety of reasons. So we had an opportunity to really share our thoughts on kind of do's and don'ts when it comes to CMS selection, some common pitfalls, and maybe some things going into the selection that they didn't know they should be concerned about. So, a couple of key takeaways. The first one, honestly, is that platform does matter. So marketing professionals are now a key voice at the table in making a decision, where traditionally IT has kind of led the platform selection. I think what some of these CMS companies do really well is they show very well in demos, but that doesn't always tell the true picture. So our message to the marketing professional under Platform Matters is really listen to the IT group. They have a voice at the table. Plan for the unexpected. You may consider outsourcing or hosting offsite right now, but that doesn't mean the technology selection should be completely agnostic. So kind of plan for the unexpected. Pick a platform that is compatible with the business and something that the IT group can support if they need to. So that was kind of the first key takeaway. So secondly, we kind of talked a little bit about kind of understanding what motivates different CMS providers. So we visit with CMS solution providers all the time, so we have a really deep understanding of kind of how they're structured. So when a CMS company, a really great question to ask is, what percentage of your revenue is really focused on the solution itself and the software product versus maybe software services or delivering the solution? And that can kind of be a telling story. Doesn't mean that one is necessarily better or worse than the other, but what you need to do is kind of align with what's going to work for your organization. So CMS providers who also do implementation are very, very good at just standing up the product, but where they tend to fall a little bit short is on the front end planning and strategy that really goes into a full life cycle implementation. So be sure to vet the solution on that front. And if you need kind of an end-to-end solution that's more than just configuring the platform and standing it up, you need a vendor who maybe will align the solution more with your business requirements, you might want to consider a different approach when it comes to implementation.
That's great.
So the other intriguing thing that we talked about is sort of this whole notion around the evolving CMS. So platform matters, the technology matters, but even within that, these CMS solutions kind of do the same thing. They're very, very good at managing content and this notion of kind of delivering everything to everyone. So CMS companies have figured out how to deliver content in a very good way. Where we're seeing the game change a bit is in how we're now starting to manage the web experience as opposed to just the content. So that's kind of a game changer for marketing people, and I think it's an intriguing opportunity for the marketing professional to really be engaged and vet the CMS solution beyond just its ability to manage content. So getting into more managing it from a marketing automation perspective, and we've seen some CMS technologies kind of stand out from the crowd in this respect. So I think one of the ways that becomes really compelling is when you start to look at, again, a compatible platform with other business technologies on the back end, like customer relationship management or CRM. So paying attention to the systems that you want to integrate with your CMS platform so that when you want to create a full ecosystem that includes marketing automation and interaction with those systems, it's a really important factor when you're selecting a CMS. So every visitor leaves a digital footprint on the web in some fashion. And the way these CMS tools are evolving is to try to help you capture that digital footprint, but more importantly, kind of take it to the next level and deliver the right content at the right time to the right person. So it's very advanced profiling and personalization features that are really intriguing. So, kind of summing up, we did sort of hone in on some technology specifically related to sort of a Microsoft platform versus a Java-based. And, one of the things we're really intrigued about is Sitecore's advancement in this space. So Sitecore is a .NET-based CMS tool, and we've really seen them kind of advance this thinking around bringing traditional CMS and marrying it with some digital marketing capabilities, particularly in the latest release.
Excellent. Well, thank you for your time. I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
And we'll